To reinstall your weave covers, tools needed will be needle nose pliers. First, take needle nose pliers and remove damaged or malfunctioning weave cover. To reinstall, simply take new weave cover and pop into position. Press firmly with your hands to make sure weave cover is secure. First, start by sliding out damaged or malfunctioning tilt latch. Second, take new tilt latch and slide into position. Make sure that the latch is pointed towards you and not away from you. First, remove damaged vent latch. Take new vent latch and pop into position securely.